Good day and welcome to the Math Salon. My name is Dr. Numendem. Today we'll look at 3 ordinary level questions about lines. So given that the solution, give the solution of the simultaneous equations y equal to 2x minus 12, 3x plus 5y is equal to 5. So we have to look for the solution of the, which means looking for the value of x and the value of y. Of course, solving simultaneous equations, there are several ways of doing that. You have substitution, you have elimination, you have matrix method, you have graphical method. So you have to look at the problem each time and see which of this is the most convenient or easier. All of them will give the same result, but sometimes you have to look at what is really easy and convenient. For example, here I see that one of them already has y equal to something. So it's easy to substitute this into this one. So if I call this one equation 1, and equation 2, then I can substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So I will replace y in this equation 2 with what is there. So I'll write now 3x plus 5. Here y is given by this. Y is 2x minus 12. So I put 2x minus 12. And this should be equal to 5. So I took this equation here, 3x plus 5, but I replaced y with what was here. And I continue. So I'm left here to open up. So this is 3x here. 5 times 2x is plus 10x. 5 times minus 12 is minus 60. And that's equal to 5. So 10x plus 3x is 13x. I can take minus 60 to this other side and it becomes plus 60. Plus 60 plus 5 is 65. And so my x is equal to 65 divided by 13, and that is 5. Now that I know x is equal to 5, I just need to take the first equation and I substitute x here and I'll know what y is. Y is equal to 2x minus 12 given by this equation 1. So my x is 5, so I'll just replace it here. 2 is equal to 2 times x, which is 5, minus 12. And this is 10 minus 12, and that is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. We look at the second question. If the lines L1 given by 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 and L2 given by mx minus 2y is equal to 4 are parallel, find the value of m. So we need to look for the value of this m. The general way that we write the equation of a line is of this form. Y is equal to mx plus c, where this is the gradient. This is the y-intercept. This is the intercept. The value that y gets when x is equal to 0. See. But our interest is here. When we have two equations of lines and their m's are the same, so let me just write a second equation of line and call this m2. This one m1, x equal to c. If these two lines are parallel, then m1 will be equal to m2. We also know if the two are perpendicular, that's just for information, then m1 times m2 should be equal to minus 1. Our interest is here. So I will try to therefore to express this, to write them in this form. It will be easy for you. So in this case here, I can take 3x to the other side and it becomes minus 3x. So I can write 2y is equal to minus 3x plus that 3 that was there. And I can say my y is equal to, I divide all through by 2, divide this by 2, the 2 goes off, divide it to get minus 3 on 2, x plus 3 on 2. Good. So it looks like this form here, where my m is this small part here now. I take the other one too. I try to do the same thing. Then I get here minus 2y is equal to, I take mx to the other side. It becomes minus mx plus 4, the 4 that was there. If I divide all through by minus 2 cancel this minus 2 here. I'm left with y that I get minus m on minus 2 x plus 4 on minus 2. I don't care too much about this. Let me see here. The minuses go away. So I actually get the m divided by 2. But this 2 should be the same because we are told the two lines are parallel. That means minus 3 on 2 should be the same as minus m on minus 2. The minus goes off. the 2, you can cross multiply here, and you get that 2m is equal to minus 6, and m is equal to minus 3. Just divide both sides by 2. So that's the m value when this line and this one are parallel. For question 3, it says, given that the point 5, 4 lies on the line y equal to x plus c, find the value of c. When a point lies on the line, it means that the coordinates of the point satisfy the equation of the line. That means when x is equal to 4, if I put it there, when x is equal to 5, if I put it here, y must be 4. So I will just do the substitution. So y is equal to x plus c. At the point 5, 4, that means this is for x and this is for y. Then we say 4 is equal to 5 plus c. Yeah, x is the first coordinate there, the first element there, and this other one, the second one is y. So x I put it there, that's 5, y I put it here, 4. So to get c, I will just take 5 to the other side, and it becomes minus 5 is equal to c. So minus 1 is equal to c. So c, of course, is equal to minus 1. I hope you liked it, and if you did, give us some thumbs ups, and most especially, do subscribe. I also encourage you to ask your parents to subscribe, so that whenever new videos are uploaded, they can alert you, they can tell you to check. Thank you. Bye-bye.